Orient Summer Cool. This remarkable fan was bought somewhere around 40 years back from Birhampur, Murshidabad district, Khagra, Lower Kadai. Raha and Sons is working beautifully, and recently it has undergone a change of bearing, new bearing along with greasing, and a change of new coil because the old coil, the starting coil, had burned up. Thank you for Orient Electric, India.